How do I resize this image? This looks so bad. Get smaller. No, not that small. Not that small.
Don't be this guy. Try media.io. Thumbnails are your content's first impression. They can determine whether someone stops scrolling or skips right past your post. Engaging visuals can boost click-through rates by up to 80%. Great thumbnails tell a story, attract attention, and build brand recognition. They're the secret weapon to making your content stand out. Media.io's AI thumbnail maker is the ultimate tool for creating professional thumbnails in seconds. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or social media newbie, the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Creating thumbnails with media.io is simple. First, click Get Started Free, and then Create New Project. Down here, we can click Add Thumbnail. Now we just get a picture of a subject, and it doesn't even have to be perfect. As you can see, this photo doesn't even fill the frame. But the AI will fix that for us. I'll just click drag the corner to resize and make the picture fit. Now I'll click Generate Thumbnail. We can do a partial redraw, which identifies key objects in the image and redraws the scene backgrounds with AI. It's really good for portrait photos and product photos. We can also do a full redraw to artistically redraw any image. Choose what kind of background you want, and also if you want the subject to have an outline or not. Finally, hit generate, and let's see what we get. If it doesn't look quite right, you can hit regenerate to try again. Let's click edit more, so we can add some text, branding, and finish up our thumbnail. Looks great. Look at the difference. With media.io, you'll go from amateur to professional in just a few clicks. The thumbnail maker is great for a small business promoting a sale, a content creator advertising their latest video, or a freelancer building a portfolio with consistent branding. Stop wasting time on frustrating design tools. Let media.io's AI thumbnail maker help you create thumbnails that get noticed, drive engagement, and boost conversions. Ready to transform your social media? Head to media.io and try the AI thumbnail maker today. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. While you're waiting for my next tutorial to come out, you should check out all of the other AI tools on this website. There's so much to explore. There's also a bunch of templates on here that really remind me of Canva, but for video. It's really, really, really cool. So go check out what media.io has to offer, and I'll see y'all next time.